Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. GALA is also still in a similar situation as it was before. We've got now 3 waves down, basically complete. It doesn't need to go any lower. It could do, but it doesn't need to. This is still in a scenario where we could say, similar to ADA actually, yeah, where we could say it came down in an A wave. It hit our support area. It did rally, not substantially though, so only really a little bit. Therefore, I wouldn't be surprised if we now just retraced this movement and we'll get one more wave to the upside here into the resistance area, because I count the move down as a 3-wave structure at the moment. And if you count the move down, in this case the correction, as a 3-wave move, the A wave, then you can get an overshooting B wave into the resistance area. Now let me highlight that resistance area with FIB targets now, because that's how I like to do it now. So choose, but that's only applicable. So that is the key resistance, really. Only really above that level we can say that, right, it's not an overshooting B wave anymore, which means that it has the potential certainly to rally all the way up to around about 7.14 cents, and it could still just be an overshooting B wave. Yeah, we will be able to specify those targets further as we get a possible turning point here if it turns around. So this is resistance for an overshooting B wave. It's now at support. It's where we had previous support. Yeah, you can see that here. It's a clear support area here. Here. Okay. So, and the FIB level. This is a FIB level where we find support currently on. So looking at this structure here, A, B, you could, if you want to, try to trade the C wave. Now that's no financial advice. There's no guarantee it's going to work out. In fact, a move down directly would also be fairly likely. However, we're now in a pullback and we're in a decent position for a possible reward to risk trade. Long, again, only you can decide if you take it. It's not the highest likelihood in my opinion. I will highlight it as yellow, sort of medium risk, because there is no guarantee it's going to work out. It could easily be that this is going to break. I mean, we're just hovering above support, and also it's just an ABC structure, which is sort of less reliable. Yeah. But if this works out, you have basically a very low risk in terms of, where you could set your stop loss. Now again, that's only what I would do, is no recommendation or anything, but typically you could set it somewhere below the 78.6 retrace. You can see there is not much risk in terms of what you could lose. Be aware that you measure your position size accordingly and accurately, but the actual reward, I mean, this could take it in an ideal case above the A wave, so we talk about above 5.31 cents. So you can take it higher, doesn't it? So anyway, target wise, if we measure that, length A wave, compare it to a possible C wave, you talk normally, well, the very, very minimum would be 5.08 cents really as a target, but that is not the most common one. More common is the 5.56 cent level here, which is the 1-to-1 ratio, or even the 1.618 extension, and we talk about 6.3 cents. Now, condition is, of course, it's holding the yellow support area. Therefore, it's not high probability it will turn around. Also, in the light of possible core PCE data, yeah, which will shake it all up. So, in fact, maybe I'll highlight that in orange, which means, it's a bit more risk actually. Just because, be aware that today we've got core PCE and things could turn around quickly and you could get those distortions. But yeah, this is still decent reward to risk. And if we break below this level, we will probably retest 4.05 cents. Yeah, but then there is an increased risk that we will actually go down directly in a C wave. Yeah, that this was just that the B wave was actually sitting here and we come down directly. But then it would have been a very shallow B wave. By the way, I have to change the degree of that ABC. There you go. Yeah, that's sort of where we are currently here with GALA. And then if we have some visibility, I will add another support area down here for the end of the wave 2. Okay, that's my update about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.